Okay folks, we're talking about standing seam metal roofs today. We're in a rainy climate up here in Oregon. Get quite a bit of rain. This is a real gradual slope roof. This is a Montana house, kind of a odd house to be in this part of the world over here, but pretty simple build, pretty foolproof as you would say. So we've got our standing seam. This is one single piece, 41 foot, 16 inch wide, and there's going to be 28 of them. We've got 9 up so far. So for anything with a real gradual pitch, just like this one, you want to use standing seam, guys. I mean, these things are foolproof. They lock into each other and they cover where the screw holes are. You can't see the seam there, but anyway, it makes for a foolproof anti-leak setup. You shouldn't have any problems with it for a long time. So we were talking about the corrugated metal. The corrugated metal is good for a super good slope on a pitch. This stuff, it will work either way. You can use it. It would be overkill for a pitch like that to use this stuff, but I recommend this. Also, another thing is I wanted the house to be a darker color. Well, you'd have a nice dark colored house, whether it was forest green or a real darker gray or black. Haven't decided yet, but who wants a white roof? It's just gonna kill it. So the cool thing about this is it sits so far up, even in the back to the edge of the property, you still can't see the roof. You obviously can't see it from the front or the sides, but this will keep it so cool during the summer. This will help you out in the long run for keeping your house pretty cool. I think it was a smart choice. You can see how this is mounted down. I don't particularly care for these square screw heads. I'd particularly like to have torque heads, but that's what we got. And these, they're not easy to find, either in a torque head or a square. So remember, thinking about doing a roof in a rainy climate, look into standing seam. Make sure you get your flashing well underneath and get an overhang on both ends, not just the back end, front end as well, because of the wind. Also, this type of tar paper, it's super thick. It comes in rolls of I believe 60 foot, but it's not your average tar paper. It's about I'd say about 2 nickels stacked on top of each other. It's got adhesive on the bottom. You peel it out and you roll it out and you step down on a nice hot day, and it'll do the trick. So I recommend the heavy duty water ice shield. Yeah, so if you want a foolproof setup, go ahead and do that. Because once you put that roof on, you better have a lift or a tall ladder to get up here and fix it in the middle of winter. So you want to do it right the first time, guys. Talk to you later.